everyone. May I present to you our topic, which is gene therapy. For us to understand this topic, for the word gene therapy, let's have first define what is gene. By the way, what is gene? Gene, it is a basic physical functional unit of heredity. Gene is made up of DNA, or means deoxyribonucleic acid. However, therapy means is a treatment intended to relieve or heal a disorder. In other words, gene therapy is an experimental technique that uses genes to treat or prevent diseases. Gene therapy replaces a faulty gene or adds a new gene in attempt to cure diseases or improve your body's ability to fight disease. Gene therapies hold promise treating a wide range of diseases such as cancer, cystic fibrosis, heart disease, diabetes, hemophilia, and AIDS. It's a groundbreaking treatment that modifies patient DNA to eliminate diseases. Researchers are testing several approaches to gene therapy, including: first, we have replacing a mutated gene that causes disease with a healthy copy of the gene. Second, inactivating or knocking out a mutated gene that is functioning improperly. And last, introducing a new gene into the body to help fight a disease. Gene therapy is currently being tested only for diseases that have no other cures. Means gene therapy is to cure diseases.
A person can have changes or mutations on a genes that can cause many issues for them. Sometimes changes might cause little differences such as hair colors. Other issues might cause health problems.
Gene therapy works in a number of ways. First one, they insert a new and healthy copy of a gene into a cell. Gene therapy replaces a faulty gene or adds a new gene in an attempt to cure disease or improve your body's ability to fight disease. Second one, they remove or replace parts of an abnormal gene because an abnormal gene may lead to an abnormal protein or an abnormal amount of a normal protein. If one of those genes is abnormal, the other one may make enough protein so that no disease develops. Third one, they inhibit the growth of cancerous cells. Gene transfer is a new treatment modality that introduces new genes into a cancerous cell death or slow the growth into the cancer. Fourth one, they prevent the production of a diseased cell. Gene therapy involves altering the genes inside your body cells in an effort to treat or stop diseases.
Gene therapy cure and help our body to fight disease. With the help of gene therapy, we can somehow manage to treat some genes which causes mutations that leads to different disease. The focus of gene therapy is to provide solutions for the people who are suffering from a specific disease or illnesses.
Next, we have the disadvantages of gene therapy. First, we have the DNA mutations. The new gene might be inserted in the wrong location in the DNA, which might cause harmful mutations in the DNA or even cancer. Second, we have the immune response. The body's immune system may see the newly introduced viruses as intruders and attack them, resulting in inflammation, toxicity, as well as organ failure in severe cases. Third, we have the viral spread. Because viruses can affect more than one type of cell, it is possible that the viral vectors may infect cells beyond just those containing mutated or missing genes. If this happens, healthy cells may be damaged and cause other illness or diseases, including cancer. Next, we have the reversion of the virus to its original form. Once introduced into the body, the viruses may recover their original ability to cause disease. Last, we have risk to offspring. The new DNA may affect reproductive cells, egg cells in women, and sperm cells in men. This could result in genetic changes
of our topic. First, gene. Genes are composed of DNA and carry all the information needed to make protein, or the building blocks our body. Because protein has specific role to our body, and when DNA damage, it no longer make protein, or the protein that are synthesizes are already altered. Next, the gene therapy. Gene therapy is a method of correcting defective genes responsible for causing specific disease. To treat the disease caused by DNA damage, the normal gene insert into genome and replace the damaged gene. The gene plays into chiral molecule called vectors, and these vectors is usually a virus, and the target cell such as the liver and the lung cells. And genetic engineering has found a lot of application, and it is the heart of growing industry called biotechnology. So lastly, the production and use of genetically modified organisms may be solution to the problem that rapidly increasing population.